Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to safely transfer money from Pandabuy to bank account. So let's get started. So here we are in pandabuy.com, and first things first is that if you're in mobile or in a smartphone, then you can basically do the same steps as long as you go into your browser and go to pandabuy.com and then do the exact same steps that we will be doing right here. So from here, once you are logged in into your Pandabuy account, you want to click or hover here on your profile icon and click on User Center right here. Once you're in your User Center, you want to click here on Withdraw. Click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to see all of your withdrawables. So if you have something right here that you would want to withdraw, then you'd be able to see it right here. But as you can see, mine, I don't have that. But you should be seeing the withdraw button right here under Action. So it would be like this. And then once you click on withdraw, you would be popped up with this withdrawable application right here. I mean, with the withdrawal application. So you'd be seeing it like this one right here. So as you can see, you can input your withdrawal amount right there. It is in CNY or Chinese yen. And yeah, you can input the maximum, which is your current maximum balance. So that is the amount that you can withdraw with your max. And after you have input the amount that you would want to withdraw, then all you have to do is click on confirm, and then it would now be automatically be sent into the bank account or the credit that you have connected into your Pandabuy account. So that is basically it on how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.